Your engine isn't old, it's just frustrated. Maybe it's stalling in traffic, chugging fuel like it's lost in the desert, or acting out altogether. Here's the deal. 90% of engine issues come from skipping simple maintenance like oil changes or letting grime build up. But what if I told you that a few easy, lesser-known fixes, things most dealerships won't tell you, could transform that grumpy engine into a smooth performer? No gimmicks, no miracles, just smart, low-cost solutions. And the final tip? Even mechanics don't like to talk about it. It might just save you thousands. Let's break it down. First up, clean the throttle body. It regulates the air entering your engine, but over time, grime and carbon deposits can clog it up, restricting airflow and causing rough performance. You'll notice rough idling, sluggish acceleration, and poor fuel economy. Here's the good news. It's easier than it looks. No mechanic, no fancy tools, just a $10 can of cleaner and 15 minutes of your time. That's quicker than your coffee run, and it could save you big bucks. Clean your throttle body and you'll see 3 improvements. First, better airflow, the throttle opens and closes easily. Second, quicker throttle response. No more delay when you step on the gas. Third, smoother idle. The ECU gets accurate readings again. Here's how to clean it. 1. Turn off the engine and disconnect the battery. 2. Find the throttle body. It connects to your air intake hose. 3. Remove the air intake hose by loosening the clamp with a screwdriver or socket. 4. Inspect the throttle body and the throttle plate inside. You'll likely see black or brown gunk, oil, dirt, and residue. 5. Spray the cleaner directly inside and gently scrub using a soft brush or cloth. 6. Open the throttle plate manually and clean both sides well. 7. Let everything dry, reconnect the hose and battery, then restart. Expect a rough idle for a few minutes as the system readjusts. If the throttle plate sticks or shows damage after cleaning, consider replacing it. Clean it every 30,000 miles or sooner if you notice symptoms. It usually doesn't need replacement, just cleaning can restore performance. Second, clean the mass airflow (MAF) sensor. It measures how much air enters the engine, helping the ECU balance fuel correctly. A dirty MAF sends bad data, causing performance drops. That leads to poor performance, reduced mileage, and even a check engine light dot. Here is a step-by-step process to clean the MAF properly. 1. Locate and unplug the MAF sensor, usually near the air filter housing. 2. Carefully remove it, it's delicate. 3. Only use MAF sensor cleaner, no other sprays. 4. Don't touch or scrub, let the cleaner work. 5. Let it air dry completely. Never reinstall while wet, avoid forced drying. 6. Once dry, reinstall and reconnect it. Clean your MAF every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or with air filter changes. It's a small task with a big impact. 3. Clean or replace air filter regularly. Our engine needs clean air just like you do. That's what the air filter handles, blocking dust and debris. When clogged, it chokes your engine, reducing power and efficiency. A clogged filter suffocates your engine, less power, worse fuel economy, and possible long-term damage. Check it often. If it's reusable and just dusty, clean it. If it's dirty or worn, replace it. It's one of the easiest, cheapest upgrades, and you'll feel the results. Here's how to clean or replace it. 1. Open the hood and find the air filter box, usually a black plastic casing near the engine. 2. Unscrew the box and remove the filter. 3. If it's only dusty, blow it out with compressed air from the clean side. 4. If it's dark, greasy or damaged, replace it. 5. Drop in the new one, close the box and secure everything. All done. Replace or clean it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or more frequently in dusty or city environments. Also, check it at each oil change. 4. use quality fuel and additives. What you fill your tank with really matters. Low-grade fuel contains junk that leaves carbon behind. High-quality fuel burns cleaner, improves performance, and protects engine parts. The rule: use top-tier gas. It has added detergents to keep your fuel system clean. Also, use the recommended octane. Too low is like feeding your engine junk food. Every 3,000 miles, add a quality fuel system cleaner like Techron or Seafoam. For about $10, it prevents buildup before it becomes a problem. These cleaners dissolve hidden deposits before they turn into expensive repairs. 5. Get a professional fuel injector cleaning. Injectors spray fuel in a fine mist, key to proper combustion. Additives help, but sometimes deeper cleaning is needed. Professional cleaning uses pressurized tools to flush the injectors and restore power. Here's the process. 1. Turn off the engine and disconnect the battery. 2. Disconnect the fuel pump and hook up the cleaning kit to your fuel rail. 3. Close the return fuel line if present. 4. Fill the canister with cleaner and pressurize it, usually 40-60 psi. 5. Run the engine only on the cleaner for 10-15 minutes or until empty. 6. Reconnect the fuel pump and battery, start the engine, and check for a smoother idle. Do this every 30,000 miles or earlier if injector issues appear. It's one of the best ways to keep your engine strong and efficient. 6. Maintain your spark plugs and ignition system. Spark plugs are small but powerful. They ignite the air-fuel mix. Over time, they wear out, causing misfires, power loss, poor mileage, or even damage. Regular checks and replacements are key. Follow your car's maintenance schedule for replacing spark plugs. Also, inspect ignition coils for damage. A healthy ignition system means strong, steady sparks and efficient combustion. Use spark plugs designed for your vehicle. Wrong types hurt performance. 7. Maintain your cooling system. Your engine runs hot by design, but it must stay within safe limits to avoid serious damage. The radiator, coolant, hoses, and water pump all work together to keep your engine at the right temperature. If the cooling system fails, heat builds up fast, leading to warped parts, blown gaskets, or even total engine failure. And trust me, that repair isn't cheap. That's a bill you want to avoid. To keep your engine running cool, check the coolant level often and make sure it's where it should be. Inspect hoses for cracks or leaks. Follow your manual for when to flush and replace the coolant. Old fluid loses its power to cool. Worn-out coolant can even corrode your system. Safety tip: never open the radiator cap when the engine's hot. The system is under pressure and hot coolant can spray out and burn you. Always let the engine cool completely first. 8. Do a carbon cleaning. Over time, carbon collects inside your engine, on valves, pistons, and the intake, especially if you take short trips or use lower-grade fuel. This buildup causes sluggish acceleration, rough idling, poor fuel economy, and even knocking. That's where carbon cleaning helps. It removes the gunk and restores smooth airflow and proper combustion. You can use a fuel additive or go for pro services like intake cleaning or walnut blasting for deeper results. Carbon cleaning is recommended every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, especially for direct injection engines. Think of it like an engine detox. Your ride will feel smoother, stronger, and more responsive. No need for a mechanic's toolbox or a big budget. Just a little time, the right techniques, and some care. Follow these tips and you'll boost performance, extend your engine's life, and save money along the way. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more car tips.